Magellan. Yung kumakanta, actually, Magellan, kanta ni Yoyo Pilabi yan. So, yung kakantahin ko, Yoyo Pilabi din. Okay? Pakisabi na lang kung hindi ko mabanggit yung lugar niyo. Philippines, such a great history. According to our geography, it is the capital city. Not even from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Saputi, Malabon, Las Piñas, Paranaque, Cagayan, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, down to Visayas, Imus, coffee, sugar, coconut, and corn. Ay, Cebu, Mactan, Langkawi, Bohol, Samar, Iloilo, Capiz-Aclan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao. Quezon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambabawan, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao, Davao, Soroyan, Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi,